CAA football action from Harrisonburg, Virginia, as the 9th-ranked James Madison welcomes the 10th-ranked Richmond Spiders to town for homecoming. Early first quarter, and it's Richmond special teams coming up with a big block punt. Evan Joseph picks it up and takes it down to the 3-yard line. 3 plays later, and Kendall Gaskins takes it in for a 1-yard touchdown run to put Richmond on the board 7-0. Later in the first, Juwan Latney finds a hole for a 15-yard first down, and JMU is on the move. In the red zone, quarterback Jace Edwards finds Kirby Long along the sideline, and it's 1st and goal for JMU. Next play, Latney takes the handoff and finds the end zone. We're tied at 7. Second quarter, Richmond losing the battle of field position as the Dukes defense converges on Aaron Corp for a 6-yard loss. JMU taking advantage. Edwards tucks it and runs, jukes the defender, and dives into the end zone. Ball comes out, but the officials call it a touchdown. JMU takes a 14-7 lead. First half winding down. Richmond going for it on 4th down. Corp drops back, but Sage Harold gets a hand in there, knocks the ball loose, and the Dukes will go into the half up by 7. Third quarter, the Spiders forced to punt, but wait, it's a fake. Nick Hicks rolls out and throws the interception to Vidal Nelson. That leads to Jordan Anderson putting on the moves and taking it to the house for a 45-yard touchdown run, and the Dukes go up 21-7. Late in the third now, JMU's Tyler Snow catches up to Corp for another quarterback sack, and it was just that kind of day for the Spiders. Fourth quarter, Anderson again finds a hole, uses a stiff arm, and he is off to the races. 49 yards, JMU is up 28-7. The Dukes would add a field goal, and the final score was 31-7 in favor of James Madison.